everybody, and welcome back to the King Fox channel. My name is Matt Conager and I'm building a Kit Fox Model 7 STI. In the previous video, you saw me snap a 1/16 inch drill bit off inside the detent pin for the flap lever handle. There was already a 1/16 of an inch hole in there, and I don't know for a fact that I had to drill it out, but I did follow the instructions, and the drilling went smoothly because of course the hole was already there. But upon extraction of the drill bit, that's when I think the pin turned a tiny bit and the drill bit snapped off. I attempted to tap it out with a punch. I broke the punch. I attempted to use several small nails. I flattened the nails out, bent the nails. It was no use. So I thought, well, I did a little Googling, of course. I saw many things that said maybe put it in the freezer. Something else mentioned acid. I wasn't going to try the acid method. Instead of putting it in the freezer, it's 20 below zero outside tonight, so I just put it outside on the grill, let it sit out there overnight, and then I thought I'll bring it into the garage in the morning. I picked up several sets of drill bits from Menards this morning, and I'll start with the cheapest drill bit first and attempt to drill the pin out and see if we can go forward from there. So stick with me, we'll get into the video, and hopefully we can get this thing knocked out. Thanks for watching. So I picked up a few more bits this morning. I got a titanium bit, cobalt bit, and a black oxide bit. So I'm going to see the leaving it outside in the cold didn't seem to do anything. I'm going to try hitting it once with one of these rivet extras that I've got. They seem to be a little stronger than the nail. And see if I can drive this thing out. If not, drill it. So that bit actually did something. Instead of drilling through it, which I couldn't do, I thought I'd try to go in perpendicular, and it went in through the steel, but as soon as it hit the drill bit, then it pretty much stopped. I'm not certain that this has to be centered, so I'm gonna take a risk since I've pretty much already damaged it anyway, and I'm gonna move over maybe and split the difference, maybe right about in here, try to drill a hole through the thing and see if I can still use it. So it's just a detent for me to release the flap handle and ride it into another hole. So if that doesn't work, I will probably at this point have to order another piece. So here we go.
That was easy.
So I must have dulled up the Bosch drill bit by drilling into that other drill bit. It wasn't even touching the steel, but when I switched out to that Menards bit, it went right through with a little bit of oil. So I'm going to try to take these burrs off with probably the Dremel and a grinding tool, and then try to smooth those edges up a little bit and see if I can get that pin in there now. So the camera went dead and I didn't know it while I was down in here. I just put the flap handle in. So tight fit, they call for a washer on the outside. So they call for a washer on the outside, and then they want one on the inside on both sides. But as you can see, the tolerance there is, there's no play. And then on the other side, one of the fat washers and castle nut with a cotter key in it. So I got that in. I got the detent pin in finally, and there's some little signs to that, but that's new to my bag of tricks. I gotta find a washer, and then we'll be moving on to the next step. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you liked what you saw. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the little tiny bell for notifications when future videos come out. So thanks again, have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.